So we will open the Google and we will type Xampp server. The very first link is Apache Friends website and it shows download Xampp. We will click on it. It will take us to the downloading page of on the website of Apache Friends. We will select the latest version of Xampp. The next step, it will show the downloading tab for downloading of exe file. However, in this case I have already downloaded the file on my disk, which is here. So I will double click on it to execute the Xampp installation. So finally our Xampp server has been installed on our Windows. So finish the process, leave the English language intact. So here we go. This is the Xampp main control panel where we can see Apache server, FileZilla server and MySQL, and we need to start at least Apache server and MySQL server to run our WordPress on localhost. So we just allow the access, allow it to access the windows. So hopefully you liked the video, so please keep watching and subscribe. Thank you.